Looking for a haircut that screams effortless cool and rock and roll chic? The Shag is back and it's better than ever, offering incredible versatility for every hair texture. 1. Modern, heavily layered Shag. This style is perfect for adding immense volume and movement to fine or medium density hair, especially when styled with a slight bend. It's incredibly versatile for a polished yet edgy look. This heavily layered cut gives thick hair a much-needed internal weight reduction, preventing it from looking triangular while enhancing the natural body and texture. 2. Wavy, retro wolf cut Shag. Blending the Shag's volume with the wolf cut's edge, this look adds incredible texture and lift to natural waves, requiring minimal heat styling for maximum impact. The dramatic layering and voluminous crown of the wolf cut Shag are highly flattering for round or square faces, adding vertical height to elongate the facial structure beautifully. 3. Curled, full volume Shag with bangs. This cut is ideal for curly hair, as the shorter layers allow the natural curls to spring up and form a beautiful, rounded shape without weighing them down. Pairing the Shag with full, textured bangs completely transforms the look, offering a soft yet structured framework that highlights the eyes and cheekbones gorgeously. 4. Straight, sleek long Shag. The elongated layers of a long Shag add subtle structure and movement to straight hair, preventing it from appearing flat or monolithic without sacrificing length. This variation is a fantastic choice for those transitioning from a blunt cut, as the layers offer a softer, more low-maintenance grow-out phase with built-in style. 5. Short, piecey textured Shag. This short, rebellious style adds incredible edge and texture to fine hair, instantly creating the illusion of thicker, denser hair through masterful choppiness and layering. The short Shag draws attention upward, making it an excellent choice for women looking to highlight their neck and jawline, offering a youthful and bold aesthetic. 6. Long Shag with face-framing layers. This cut softens angles and accentuates the cheekbones and jawline, making it incredibly flattering for almost all face shapes, especially those with sharper features. The strategically placed layers around the face add a beautiful sense of movement and lightness without sacrificing the overall length, making it a versatile choice for longer hair. 7. Bouncy, voluminous Shag for fine hair. This style is a miracle worker for fine hair, as the careful layering adds significant body and lift at the crown, creating the illusion of much thicker hair. The bounce and movement created by this Shag make it an excellent option for those who want a lively, energetic look that doesn't require constant fussing. 8. Messy, textured Shag with micro bangs. This bold and edgy Shag variation, combined with micro bangs, creates a strong fashion-forward statement, perfectly balancing rebellious charm with unique style. The super short micro bangs draw immediate attention to the eyes and forehead, making this style perfect for showcasing expressive facial features and a confident attitude. 9. Defined curl Shag. This specialized Shag cut empowers natural curls to reach their full potential, ensuring each curl is beautifully defined and well separated rather than clumping together. By removing bulk strategically, this cut ensures curly hair maintains a desirable shape and avoids the dreaded triangle head effect, promoting uniform curl pattern. 10. Edgy, asymmetrical Shag. This modern twist on the classic Shag introduces an element of unexpected asymmetry, adding a unique and artistic flair that stands out from conventional cuts. The asymmetry can be tailored to flatter specific facial features, drawing the eye to the more pronounced side or creating an intriguing silhouette that enhances individuality.